Alright, so in the previous video, we discussed about WordPress installations and cPanel, right? And we demonstrated how you can install WordPress, how to navigate your cPanel, how to access Softaculous app installer, and how to install WordPress. We already did that, and we are good to go. So the next video, which is what we are working on currently, is what admin login. Now, how do you log into the back end of your website that you'll be displaying and people will be seeing content, right? You could recall after the installation, we saw some information congratulating us that the website has been installed successfully. You can see this is the domain we are using and this is the administrative URL. So this domain here is what people will click, or maybe when they access your website, this will give them access to the front end. So you can see this is the content of the website currently. This is the content of the website currently, and you can see we don't have anything here. There is nothing here, right? But then once we start working from the back end, we are then going to be seeing content. We'll be able to edit all of this content you can see here. So now, to get started, you need to go with this administrative URL. This administrative URL is what will give you access to the what? Back end. Is what will give you access to the admin back end. So this back end is where you are going to be controlling what will be displayed on the front end of your website. So you can look at this. First is your domain, which here we are using this practice.smavilla.com as our domain. That's what we are practicing with /WP. Okay, this one is /WP. Then is it dash admin? Yeah. So you copy this and you just try to memorize all WordPress websites back end. So on your domain, you can see on your domain, you just insert WP uh, dash admin. Then you load it. By the time you load it, the cPanel, sorry, not cPanel, the admin dashboard will show up. But then it will require that you log in with your password and username. Remember, when we're setting up the WordPress website, we were asked to insert password and what? To also insert our username, of which I could recall I practically demonstrated that. So now what we are going to be doing now is to insert the password and username. Then we'll be able to access our backend rather. So I'll just click on remember me so that we'll be able to access it every other time. So by the time I click on login, you can see this is the back end, right? This is the back end. So this is going to be showing me the back end, and this is going to be giving me access to editing and working on my website, right? If you could recall initially, our website was just empty, just few content followed our default content. But right now, we'll be able to edit both the post. We can upload media, we can create pages, we can address comments, either upload comments or delete comments. We can add other things that will put some functionality on our website, because currently the website is as empty as anything, right? So that's the essence of uh, this admin login. So this is how you log in to your WordPress website backend, right? So on the next video, we are going to be discussing about the WordPress admin dashboard, or your website admin dashboard.